existing market is there in India about this air purifier. A lot of companies are investing heavily on this segment. Other companies like Daikin, Sharp, Panasonic, in Blue Star, Toshiba, they are investing a lot in India about this air purifier because the market is growing. If you last year versus this year, if we see the sales, this year it has grown like anything, and to Corona pandemic, people are more concerned about their air what they are breathing at home and in offices. It's both, I can say, because majorly B2C are more preferred in retail segments. Like majorly people are now concerned about their health, and also they directly buying from whatever markets available for this particular product. And B2B is also there because people are concerned about their employee safety and all. So they are also buying in retailers, and big investors are buying this product for resale purpose. People are preferring existing brand, I can say, a little bit more, because in India we can see the people are more concerned about after sales service as well. Like because these kind of product need some service, some kind of regular routine checkup and filter cleaning and all. So people are more concerned about the presence of the company who are selling. And Dyson is also coming majorly into this segment. They are one of the big players in this air purifier segment. So they are also they have launched few products in retail and home segment. And regularly, if Daikin and Toshiba, they are selling through their dealer network and through Vijay Sales and Retail big chain. But they are concerned about service and all. That's why they prefer some brand and some big companies to be. Basically, more or less, whatever the filtration required as per the norms, they are coming up with the model with filtration, HEPA filter, and pre-filter. Everything is there in the market, but only if we see an attractive, good-looking product, that is there we can catch a retail segment more. The people are buying as per their existing home interior. I can say color-wise. If you offer a colorful kind of purifier, they can put it near the sofa, in some living room, in the bedroom. So that will be that kind of attraction we can offer to the client. Rest, all the technical terms, everybody is giving the same whatever they need for this particular purpose. I don't see any problem offering if they are coming in India with a long-term vision. I don't see any problem because there are a lot of companies uh, have been successful in India. Like if I say LG and Samsung, Panasonic, I'm talking about the Korean brands. They are very successful in India. If I see a Japanese brand, lot of Japanese brand like Sharp, Panasonic, and Toshiba, Daikin, they are successful in India. Similarly, if the Taiwanese brand, they're coming up with open-minded, like they want to invest for a long term. I don't see any problem because end of the day, client has to see the vision of the company. They will buy as per the company. If they are interested only for this particular pandemic situation, I maybe there is a problem with client for the buying this particular product. But if they are long vision for maybe next 10 years, they are going to be there in India, then don't see any problem. As an international body, ASHRAE is one of the leading and one of the reputed. I'm not saying certification, but as a HVAC industry, ASHRAE is a very good, well-known fraternity where we can, if we they certify their product, so this will be good. And other than that, there is a few certification there for air purification segment. So that's good enough. ASHRAE is good, one of the good body they can certify this. No.
No mandate.
This certification is basically for the client. We can push as a marketing tool. That will be helpful in selling, because if some reputed body from Japan has certified this product, then it will be a good marketing tool for the selling purpose. Based on, like, if you're talking about a distributor or a dealer point of view or big investor point of view, they see focus some model you have launched. For Chinese companies, some model they have launched. So what will be the life of that particular product, and between that lifespan and the serviceability, any spare part like PCB, a circuit, that is available, readily available for the replacement point of view, for the service point of view. That is the only thing we are concerned. Other than that, pricing is, the market, so whatever pricing existing brand offering, so we have to be little at par. No, I don't think so. Any qualification is required. As good as they have good R&D setup, and they come up with whatever they are offering in brochure and as per the norms. So I don't think any problem. If suppose if you're selling in the government sector, so they need to be, maybe they will buy one product and they will test it in the lab. There should be not a problem if testing in the lab, Indian labs and that.